I am Dr. Sanjay Rajvanshi. Today our topic is general characteristics, properties of acids. Some examples of acids are oxalic acid, boric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, formic acid, acetic acid. First characteristic is taste. Tell me, what is the taste of acids? Sour. So the taste of acids are generally sour. S-O-U-R. This is your first characteristics, property of acid. Second, physical state. Some acids are solids while others are liquids. Some acids are solid while some others are liquid at room temperature. Now if anybody knows, then tell me कि oxalic acid at room temperature is in solid form or in liquid form?
Sir, solid form.
Solid form. Formic acid?
Liquid.
Liquid. Good. Boric acid?
Solid.
Solid. Very good. And acetic acid?
Liquid.
Liquid. So finally we can say at room temperature the physical state of some acids are solids, some are liquids. The oxalic acids and boric acid are the examples of solid salt. And acetic acid and formic acids are the examples of liquid acids. Now third characteristics. Corrosive nature. Most of the acids are corrosive in nature. What is the meaning of corrosive? What do you understand by the term corrosive?
They produce a burning sensation.
They produce the burning sensation. So this is the meaning of corrosive. If acid or substance produce the burning sensation when we touch it on our body, then that type of nature is known as corrosive nature. So finally we can say most of the acids are corrosive in nature. They produce burning sensation on the skin. And if you pour these acids on your clothes, then holes in the clothes. This is also due to the corrosive natures of the acids. So holes in a clothes. So they can form holes. Right? So this is your corrosive nature. In a holes in a clothes. When the acid poured on the clothes, then some holes be created. Now next is action of the indicators. Actions of the indicators. Generally we use three types of indicators in the laboratory: blue litmus paper or blue litmus solution, methyl orange or phenolphthalein. Now my question is, in the case of acid, if we pour the blue litmus, some drop of the acid on the blue litmus, then what happens?
Will turn to red.
It will turn to red. So is the next characteristics property of acid is turn the blue litmus color of the blue litmus solution or paper into red color. They change into the red color. And what about the methyl orange?
From orange to red.
This is methyl orange. Convert its color. Initially its color is orange and it change into red color. Then phenolphthalein. About this is remain in acidic solution. Filling the blanks. Colorless. Now this blue litmus change into red, methyl orange to red, but phenolphthalein is colorless. In acidic solutions. So first property test, then physical state, corrosion nature, action of indicators. Now last we will discuss about the reaction with active metal. Because the acids have the corrosive natures and react with active metals, therefore the acid we generally stored in a glass bottle or glass vessels in place of metallic vessels. Now reaction with active metals. For example, sulfuric acid. We take it sulfuric acid. This react with sodium and form the sodium sulfate. Plus they evolve the hydrogen gas. Please balance it. So Na2SO4 plus this. So 2Na plus H2SO4. Na2SO4 plus H2. So we can say this NaO material, or similarly we can take it metal. So in place of Na you can take it zinc also. If you take it zinc is a metal. So Zn plus H2SO4 is equal to zinc sulfate and evolve the hydrogen gas. So when dilute acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, they react with active metals and always form the hydrogen gas. They evolve the hydrogen gas during this example. Another example you can take it. Tell me any example. You can tell me how this hydrochloric acid react with magnesium. बताइए क्या फॉर्म करेगा? If hydrochloric acid react with magnesium,
Magnesium chloride.
they form magnesium chloride and
Hydrogen gas.
produce the or evolve the hydrogen gas. So magnesium is a metal react with hydrochloric acid, is form MgCl2 plus H2, and balance it. We have 2 chlorine or 2 and MgCl2. So it is your basis. Now similarly with iron, sulfuric acid react with iron. Another example, H2 Fe plus H2SO4. बताइए क्या रिजल्ट आएगा?
FeSO4 plus
FeSO4 plus hydrogen. This is aqueous solution. Remember this thing. So when some active metal reacts with the acids, form its sulfate, chloride like that, and evolve the hydrogen gas. But remember one thing, some metals like copper and silver, some metals like copper and silver are copper, silver, Ag. They are less reactive than they do not. That's why they do not react with the acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric, because they less reactive, active metals. Iron, it is the most active metals. You have studied already in previous chapter. So this is all about your general characteristic properties of the acid. And please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.